In this video, I'm going to walk through the Revit Bracing tool, an efficient method for placing vertical bracing between columns and horizontal steel members. While you can technically place bracing using the standard beam tool, only the bracing tool gives you access to the proper structural usages for vertical bracing and kicker bracing. It also unlocks several useful control settings you'd miss out on otherwise. Now I'm going to want to put vertical X bracing with WTs in this bay right here, in between this column, and underside of this beam. In order to place a beam system in here, you need either a grid or a reference plane if you do not have a grid. So once you have a reference plane in here, you have to give it a name. That's the only way to be able to access it when you're making these elevations to do your bracing. Now I'm going to go up to the View tab. I want to go under Elevation, but I'm not going to click on the button. I'm going to hit the pull down and I'm going to select Framing Elevation. Then what winds up happening is it goes to put an elevation in here, and what it's doing is it's reading the bracing plane. And now I've just created a framing elevation. Now that I'm in my framing elevation view, I'm going to go up to the Structure tab, Structure panel, and go to the Bracing tool. It's set for WT 7x15. Now I don't have to put it exactly where I want it, and that's where the controls come into play. Click anywhere on this column, anywhere on that beam, anywhere on this column, anywhere on this beam. And it's important to go bottom to top, because what will happen is you can do a cross grab, and now you can manipulate these. I want the bottom of these braces to be at 6 inches higher than elevation 0, and I want the top to be a ratio, and I want them to be 100% of the way. So 100% is just 1. I want to rotate the cross section to be 90 degrees, and then I want to set this here for top justification because the 90-degree rotation dictates that. And now as you can see, we lost one of them, and that's fine. We can go here to the associated datum. We could set that for none. If you go back to your plan view, if you grab this view, you can pull this back, pull this out, and if you go back in, and now you can see both your bracings. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. There'll be a lot more videos coming.